Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off the magnifier in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. If we have our magnifier on, you can see this is a normal application. We just need to exit this menu. But how to turn it off permanently? We have to go to settings, then in accessibility options we are looking for visibility enhancements, and we need to scroll a little bit down. Here we have magnifier. Now it is set up as a shortcut here. To turn it off, we simply disable this function, and now our magnifier won't turn on. There is no shortcut for it, and the application is now turned off. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.